So in continuation with yesterday's discussion, so we'll have some three variable equations today. Uh, so this is the four variable. So we'll go for three variable first. So I'm just giving you the here in the functions of. Okay. So now please go for this problem. Note down this problem. Function of a b c, that is equal to summation of m 0 4 5 7. So as the summation of m sign is there, so that equation is soft form. So solve that. Means whatever the terms are present, so for those terms you have to enter 1 in Kmap. There is no need to enter 0, just enter 1 only. Okay. And as far as the discussions given here, so whenever I am taking this pair, so if you are taking this pair also, then this cell is remaining, so you will combine this with this. So for that, the optimum grouping is this pair and this corner pairs. Okay, so this is not required because whenever you are going for that, so that additional term will be available there as a into b bar. Okay, so just you draw the K-map in the whole K-map in three variable. So upper side is AB, lower side is C. So here you should note down 0 1, here 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 1 0, and then one line you should draw here, upper side A B, lower side C, and then solve that example. So you will get these three terms, but this is not required. So your correct answer is this pair as well as this corner pair. This is called as the, you can say that additional term is not required. So if you are taking that, so again that example can be solved with the help of a Boolean algebra. But I am not recording that. So I am going for optimum grouping. I am not going for maximum grouping. Because in a three variable K map, I can go for quad first. But as a quad is not available, because no four cells are adjacent with each other. That's why there is a possibility of quad is negligible. So therefore, I can go for the pairs only. So for that pairs, you can just think over it, okay, how you can form the pair in minimum grouping. So you have to take this group first, and then only this corner. This group is not required. So that is, we call it a consensus term. So that is not required. Okay. Now you can take the example of this. You just draw the K-map A B C 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Then note down the same numbers also. In this case, you can say that here these three terms are essential. Unless and until you go for these three terms grouping of three pairs, you will not get your answer. Okay, so in this case one cell will combine thrice or three times with other cells. Okay, so this possibility, this is also permissible in K-map. So solve that example also.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it okay that we are not filling the zeros or one in SOP and pause in KMAP in examination?
Yeah. See, if you are solving soft, just enter one only. There is no need to go for zero. If you are solving pos, there is no need to go for 1. You have to enter only 0. Because
Sir, but
whenever
in examination.
no, not required.
Okay, sir.
Because see, whatever the problem is there, na, so the problem is suppose pi into m. So that problem is related with pos, canonical pos. So canonical pos stands for absent terms, or you can say max terms or max terms stands for absent terms. So you enter only 0. Because see, whenever you are entering 1, na, so after entering 1 means you may forget that means you are solving pos or solve. Because normally most of the students are solving SOP equations many times. So they are compatible with SOP, but most of the people are not compatible with POS. So that's why uh, you may face some problem. Okay, so it's
Okay, sir.
better to go for only what are the terms, min terms is there, so enter 1 only. If max terms are there, enter 0 only. Okay, and then go for
Okay.
optimum.
Okay.
Start with maximum group first. Try for optimum maximum grouping. Then it's lower level. Suppose if you are solving 4 variable, so start with octet, then quad, then pair, then grouping of single cell. Okay, is it clear? So both examples are clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone.
Yes.
So now the same examples you can note down in here also you can note down the example. So what are the steps here? See, A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So the terms are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 5. So your mean terms are available here 6, 7, 3 and 5. So you should note down that 3, 5, 6, 7. Summation of m 3, 5, 6, 7 for this problem, first problem. Function of ABC is equal to pi into m, summation of m 3, 5, 6, 7. So note down that problem and whether you are getting this answer or not. Just check. For this problem, this is a problem, this is a solution. Here you should draw the entire K-map. A, B and lower side C. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You can complete. Okay. Now if you have solved this 3 variable K-map in solve, now go for the same equation for a pos form. So function of ABC pi into m 3, 5, 6, 7. Solve it. And the second problem also you should solve with pos form. And for this means you have to first of all lower your hands, because after that means how many students have solved that problem. I have to check that. Please lower your hands.
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes, you can speak. I am listening you. Please.
Sir, please can you tell me the answer for pause? I have found that.
Yeah, yeah. Just wait a minute. I am solving that.
Okay, sir.
Sir, done, sir.
Both problem done?
Yes, sir.
Very good. The answer is a bar plus b bar for first. Just check it, everybody. Y is equal to function of a, that is equal to a bar plus b bar in bracket, then dot b bar plus c bar in another bracket, then a bar plus c bar. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now for the next
Yes, sir.
case, uh, you will get the two pairs as a bar plus c bar in other bracket dot b plus c.
Yes, sir.
Getting
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
concept? So here also means I can directly get from this example only. So I know that in this case, whenever I am saying that this is a product term, so now in my next case in cost form it will be sum term. So sum term will be how that will be found in product, that is A into C, in sum that is A plus C. Here bar is not there, in that case bar will be there. So A bar plus C bar into this sum is converted into dot in another bracket B plus C. So now is bar are there, so only B plus C is the answer. Or you can get from you can just draw the K map and get it. And don't go directly because you have to solve this, because this practice is very important. So first of all, draw the three variable K map. Okay, note down the cell numbers correctly, and you should always keep in mind that this is not our binary number system is not there in KMap. Gray code is there. That's why the sequence is 000110. Sorry, 1110. It is not 1011. So in binary you will get 00011011, but here you are getting 00011110. Okay, that's why the cell numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and then 4, 5. Okay, then your problem is y is equal to function of a, b, c. Second problem, summation of m 0, 4, 5 and 7. So 0, just note down in 0, 0th cell number 0, then 4, 5 and then 7. So take the lower part first as a pair. The answer for that pair is what? So A is constant, the value of A is 1, that's why A bar, plus C is constant, the value of C is 1, that's why C bar. That's the first answer. And then the corner two cells will be there. So for that answer is in the upper side. So your B is constant and the value of B is 0, that's why B, and then C is constant, value of C is 0, that's why C. Therefore y is equal to B plus C into, in another bracket, A bar plus C bar is your answer. Is it clear? Now tell me how many of you
Yes, sir.
got this answer. Please raise your hands. And if somebody is not getting this, please tell me. Please ask. Just tell me your name and ask your question. So which point you are not understood, which grouping you are not understood. Because the first thing is that you have to you should be in position to form the grouping first, that too in correct manner. And our aim is what? We should go for optimum grouping. Okay, and then next is, okay, after having that grouping, we should solve that correctly. You should make sure that whether you are solving swap form or post form. For a swap form, always take an individual term as a product term, then the 0 is nothing but a complement variable, 1 is nothing but uncomplement variable. And that too for a canonical pause, 0 is 0 is complemented variable and 1 is uncomplemented variable. Sorry, 1 is complemented variable, 0 is uncomplemented. Exactly opposite to pause. Okay, and then next is the individual term in pause form is a summation term. So you should take in bracket also, and then here note down the notations. Means 0 is your complemented variable and 1 is uncomplemented. Sorry, again 0 is complemented variable, and for 0 you have to consider what you want for 0 in pause is whatever the terms.
Uncomplemented form.
Yes, and 1 is complement. Okay, so exactly opposite with pause. And try to solve the pause equations also similarly. Means whatever the equations you will solve for solve, the same kind of equation you should solve for pause, so that you will be in position to solve each and every example. Means any examples may come in exam, maybe in solve form or in pause form. You cannot consider that only solve will come or only pause will come. You should be comfortable with all. And then means you will get the entire concept in KMAP. And again I am repeating, KMAP is a very important tool for electronic engineering. That's why each and every concept of KMAP should be clear to you. Okay. So now next example will go. So we have already solved this. Okay. Then take one another example. Whether I am also able to. You can at least watch the chat. Hello. Can you watch the? Can you see the chat?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just noting here y is equal to. I'm just giving the problem to you. Summation sign is not available with me right now, so just consider summation. Small m is there, that's why it is nothing but. Along with that, before small m, the your summation sign is there. So this y is equal to summation of m 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 0, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So draw the three variable KMAP first completely. Then note down 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 4, 5. Okay, so note down for each mean term 1 in the KMAP. So 0, then 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And while drawing that, while entering the cell numbers, you should make sure that the whatever the notations you are using for cell numbers, that should be small rather than whatever you are entering for mean terms. Or otherwise, you may think that 0, 1. So some student may consider that 1 as a mean term, but that is not a mean term. That is actually a cell number. So please make sure that you are using the correct one, correct notations. Only left hand side top corner and small letters only for cell numbers. Okay. Now go for the part first. The part is possible there. Okay. So inner two columns that are adjacent with each other, you can have that quad and solve it and tell me your answer.
EAD.
Yes, you solved this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, randomly I will ask the answer participant. Shruti, Shruti, please mute yourself. Shruti, Gadve Shruti. So again and again I will not tell these things to you. So please follow the ethics. You are now in meeting. You are attending the lectures. Shruti, again you have unmuted yourself. So left from meeting now. Oh, Abhishek Shinde. Just tell me your answer. Abhishek, tell me your answer. Tanvi, I am audible, Tanvi? Hello? Tanvi? Hello? Hello? Soumya, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Tanvi, are you not getting my voice? Tanvi?
Hello.
Yes.
A bar C bar
Uh,
plus AC plus
uh,
B.
correct. So every students, you should just check this answer. The correct answer is A bar into C bar plus A into C plus B. So B is for the quad and A bar C bar. Hello.
So there's some disturbance, I think, from your side.
Not from my side. I think somebody is unmuted again. Please check everybody. Please mute yourself
Yes, sir.
and check it. Means, I am again repeating the answer: a bar into c bar plus a into c plus b. Okay. So one problem we will see for pos for 3 variable, and then we will go for the next case. Okay. Okay, so same problem you can solve by using pos, but solve correctly. Eh?
So the same problem.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
done, sir.
done. Okay, so evening students, are you all done? Hello.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir, it's done.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are done, so the answer is in one bracket a plus c, in other bracket a bar plus c bar plus sorry dot b bar. You getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then uh, two problems will solve for the 4 variable K map, and then we will switch to next topic, that is don't care condition. Okay. So after that again we will solve some examples. Now 4 variable equation I will give you in the chat box. You can just follow that. First we will solve pos equation. So take this example. Now here function of PQRS is equal to pi into m. So pi is not available in this. So as capital M indicates, it's a pos equation. Solve it. So initially what we should do, we should take the complete, I should draw the complete K map, 4 variable K map, where now variables are PQRS. So as it is given in your problem itself, so you have to refer those equations only. Okay, so your answer is function of PQRS is equal to pi into m 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, then 9, 11, 13 and 15. Students, again you can just see this is not a question from any standard book or any reference book. So directly you can form your own questions for solving the table. So I have also given this problem as a dummy problem to you. So you can again form such type of problems. So don't say that I am not having this book or that book. Okay. So now the variables are PQ, RS. So at upper side you have to consider PQ. At lower side you should consider RS. So note down the notations or the representation of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Then note down cell number 0, 1, 3, 2, then 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, then 8, 9, 11, 10. For each max term, you should enter 0 in the corresponding cell number. 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So now as we are starting with 4 variable K-map, we are solving 4 variable K-map, that too for POS. So we have to go for the octet if possible. Grouping of 8 zeros. Is it possible? 8 adjacent zeros are available in this example? Students?
No, sir.
Not
No,
available,
sir.
right? Okay. So now so tell me how many quad are possible there? Optimum quad.
2.
So 3, 2,
Two groups, sir.
2, sir.
Okay, just see first of all 3, 7, 15 and 11. This is the first quad. Okay, so the answer for that quad is what? R bar plus S bar in bracket, right? Then 13,
Yes, sir.
9, 11 and 15 is another quad. Okay, so for that answer is P bar plus S bar. Okay, then 5 cells is remaining and then 0 is remaining and 6 is remaining. So 5 can be combined with again as a quad 5, 13, 7 and 15. Okay, so for that answer is Q bar into again S, Q bar plus S bar, because individual term is summation. Now after having these 3 quads, I am having again 2 cells remaining, cell number 6 and cell number 0. So cell number 6 can be combined with 7 as a pair. Okay, so the answer for that is the 3 variable equation will be there as the answer. So therefore, P plus Q bar plus R is constant, so S bar, R bar. So P plus Q bar plus R bar. And now 0 is not adjacent with any other cell, so that is nothing but grouping of single cell. So the answer is P plus Q plus R plus S in bracket. So therefore, final answer is function of PQRS, that is equal to, the first term is Q bar plus S bar into another bracket P bar plus S bar, another bracket R bar plus S bar into P plus Q bar plus R bar, and lastly into P plus Q plus R plus S. Are you getting this? Again, I will repeat. The first term answer is,
Yes, sir.
the total 3 chords are there, one pair is there, and one essential pair, or one single grouping. So therefore, Q bar plus S bar into P bar plus S bar into R bar plus S bar into P plus Q bar plus R bar into, last bracket, P plus Q plus R plus S. So if you understood this, please raise your hand. So how many of you understood? Very good.
Sir, I have understood.
Okay. Or as the maximum hands are raised, so therefore if somebody is not getting this, please ask. Because see, Miss, I cannot verify directly your answers in your notebook. I hope that everybody is doing in notebook. Is it? Everybody is solving in notebook? Please answer. Everybody is solving
Yes, sir.
these examples in notebook.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the another task, just go for the same problem as the soft form. So function of, again, P comma Q comma R S, that is equal to summation of M 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 14.
Done, sir.
Very good. So draw the K-map, remaining students, those who have not completed. So at upper side PQ, at lower side RS, as S is a LSB. Then take the gray code as a 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Note down the cell numbers 0, 1, 3, 2, then 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, then 8, 9, 11, 10. So if you are not, if some students have joined this class today only, so I will just show the K-maps, formation of K-map. So here you can just see, instead of now this WXYZ as a last K-map, you can consider it as a PQRS. And make sure that you have drawn the correct K-map first. Then after drawing the correct K-map, you should enter the mean terms in corresponding cell numbers, the corresponding cells. So 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So similarly again, here we can take the first chord with 3, 7, 15, 11. So the answer is R into S. Then the next chord is 13, 9, 15, 11. So for that answer is P into S. Then 5, 13, 7, 15 is another chord. So for that answer is Q into S. Then a pair is 6 and 7. For that answer is P bar into Q into R. And for the essential prime, the answer is P bar into Q bar into R bar into S bar. Therefore, Y is equal to P into S plus R into S plus Q into S plus P bar into Q into R plus P bar into Q bar into R bar into S. Okay. So after this, after solving this K-map, now if suppose don't care equation is not asked, but normally don't care equations are also there, and after solving that you have to solve this answer by using either basic gates, discrete gates, or universal gates. Okay, so this we have solved some of the examples by using AND OR logic as well as NAND logic. So AND OR logic is applicable for your soft form, or universal gate in soft form as a NAND followed by NAND. So whenever universal gate, only universal gate, so you mean to say that you are allowed to use only NAND or only NAND. So whenever you are solving POS, so you are only allowed to use only NOR bits, not other bits. No other gates is permissible. So again, 2-3 instructions are there. So while solving this K-map, you should keep 2-3 color pens with you, so that whatever the grouping you are making, so if you are doing that only with the help of single pen, so you will not come to know that exactly which grouping you have taken. You may confuse. So, but if you are solving that grouping by using different color pens or pencil, also you can use. So 4-5 different color pens are there along with you, so you can complete that, or you can easily view that, because after 2-3 months you have to again refer these notes. So at that time you should be in position to recognize. So that's why use different color pens. Then every problem, whatever the problem you have solved, so that problem can be either solved by using basic gates like AND or NAT, or and NOT logic, or in other words you can say that I can go for with the universal gates. So therefore in that case the example will ask for 4 marks, and if the suppose realization is asked, so it may ask for 6 marks. So 4 marks for simplification, 2 marks for the logic diagram. That kind of weightage will be there. Okay. So any doubts, students? Okay.
No, sir.
Go ahead, because we'll see first don't care condition. Now see, this is nothing but a structure for 5 variable K-map. Okay. So A is MSB. So 5 variable K-map. This is not there in your syllabus, but just check it. 4 variable K-map, another 4 variable K-map. Whatever the MSB is there, that is A MSB. So here A is equal to 0, here A is equal to 1. And again you can go for the 5. Go to 32 cells are there. Okay, this is not there in your syllabus, but a combination of 5 variable K-map structure looks like this. Okay, so if you get some time, you should see that 5 variable, 6 variable K-map. But right, our part. Now, we use the next topic, that is don't care condition. Don't care condition. It is also called as incompletely specified functions. So sometimes not all input combinations are specified in your problem. I'll give the example. Don't care condition means what? Means while forming a grouping, you can consider that cell as either 0 or 1. So if you are solving POS, you can consider that as a 0. If you are solving SOP, you can consider as a 1. So any combinations can be possible because the name is given don't care. So I know that in case of my binary number or digital system, either I am having 0 or 1. So in this don't care condition, So all the cases are not given, or you can say that incompletely specified functions are there. Like suppose if I am going for the consideration of BCD number system. So in a BCD number system, binary coded decimal number system, if I am going for 4 variable, so 0 to 9 numbers are there. But again, some numbers are also available from 10 to 50. So for those numbers are not a valid BCD numbers. So for that, which we are considering don't care sign, that is cross sign here. So here in this problem, instead of cross sign, this we have considered as a dash. So in some books, we have taken the notation as a dash or cross also. In small x you can note down as a cross sign or a don't care sign. Means in this form, which whenever soft form is there, so don't care sign is available as a d, small d, and these terms are don't care. Means what? Along with this, these are the min terms and these are the don't care terms. So the meaning of it is what? This example is having some additional min terms as a don't care terms. Okay. So initially you could note down these initial stages min terms as a one value in your K-map, and then after this plus and D sign, D sign stands for don't care terms, 6, 12 and 13. You can just see here 12 and 13 and 6. These are again noted as a dash, or you can consider as a cross also. So which book you are referring, so that depends. So in some books dash is given, in some book cross sign is given. But most of frequently we are going for cross. So you can also note down as a cross. Then suppose now we will see exactly the you can say the benefits of this don't care condition. So what we will do, we will not consider this don't care signs first. We will solve this example without don't care. So that too for 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, just take this example. Function of a, b, c, d is equal to summation of m 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If you solve that, after solving you will get these two terms, a bar d plus b bar into c bar into d. Just solve it whether you are getting that or not.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. Now in the next part, if you are done with this, next part is so with don't care signs. So what you have to do is, I already told you, in a don't care signs, whatever don't care terms are there, the don't care terms you can consider as a 1 or 0. So don't care. Anything can be possible. So either it may be 1, it may be 0. So while solving the grouping, you can consider that don't care sign also as a 1 there, and you can go for the another part. पहले केस में आपने क्या किया था, इसका और इसका पेयर लिया था. नाउ इसका अगर क्वाड आपका होता है, so you should go for this quad by considering that don't care sign also. तो यहाँ पे 1, 1, 3 1 है और एक बीच में don't care sign है. So we can take this group also. Okay, and again another 2 don't care signs are there, but add is a don't care means if my equation is not simplified, अदरवाइज आपको क्या या इसके साथ में डोंट केयर के साथ में एक पेयर करोगे, इसका फिर से इसके साथ करोगे, नो, दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. सो सिर्फ 1 के साथ अगर कॉम्बिनेशन होता है देन ओनली यू शुड कंसीडर दैट, अदरवाइज नॉट. अगर ये दो छोड़ दो आप उसको, so that will not be required in your use. If your equation simplified, then only you should consider the don't care term in grouping, otherwise not. अब यहाँ पे नहीं होगा आपका क्योंकि ऑप्टिमम सारे वन यहाँ पे आपके कवर हो चुके हैं. सो ओनली डोंट केयर साइंस रहे तो उसके लिए कुछ करना जरूरी नहीं, बिकॉज दोज आर डोंट केयर टर्म्स. So don't consider that. If your equation simplifies, then only you should go, otherwise not. Are you getting this point? So without don't care sign, I am getting equation like this. After don't care sign, I am getting equation like this. So here I have reduced variable b. So whenever I am reducing one variable, so my equation simplifies, and that will be directly proportional with your costing as well as whatever the you can say simplicity of the circuit is there. So the circuit becomes simple. Circuit is having less variables, which to implement that I will require less hardware. Less hardware means less cost, like that. So this is the principle of don't care sign. So whenever don't care signs are there, So if your equation simplifies, then only you should consider, otherwise you should not consider that don't care signs. Okay. So here by using the don't care sign, instead of going for pair, I can go for the quad. And whenever I am going for quad, so we have already seen yesterday that quad reduces two variable, pair reduces only single variable. So I am reducing one extra variable with the help of that. That's why I have considered that as a quad. और यहाँ पे क्या है, कोई सेल दूसरा नहीं है वहाँ पे उसके साथ कंबाइन करने के लिए. So that's why for this don't care sign and for this don't care sign I am not going for any other combination. इसका हो सकता है, इसका इसके साथ भी हो सकता है, इसका इसके साथ भी हो सकता है, but that is not required, but because it is a don't care term. Are you getting this, students? I hope
Yes, sir.
this point is clear to everybody. So don't care terms, this we will see in the examples again. And whenever you are solving past form, so instead of this small d, it is nothing but capital D. Okay? So यहाँ पे पाई इंटू एम रहेगा एग्जाम्पल में, और यहाँ पे कैपिटल डी रहेगा और पॉस टर्म. तो उसका एक फिर से पॉस में कर लो आप सॉल्व. सेम एग्जाम्पल, फंक्शन ऑफ ए बी सी डी पाई इंटू कैपिटल एम 1 3 5 7 9 6 12 30. अब एक बार याद रखना है आपका, जो जहाँ पे मैक्स टर्म है सेम मैक्स टर्म इधर रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए, वो छोड़ के ये रिपीट रहना चाहिए. ओके. सो रिजल्ट का यहाँ पे कैपिटल डी लेना है 6 12 30 और सॉल्व करो उसे. और take this as a homework because now 2 p.m. is already there. So if it is possible in 1 minute you can solve. This is possible, I think 1 or 2 minutes, and then we will stop.
Done, sir.
Very good. What is the name?
Vijay.
Hello, Vijay. Your name?
Ah, yes, sir. Ambale.
Okay. Okay, Vijay, miss, your yesterday's problem is solved. I will talk with first year story.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, whether you have talked